Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan. So, in today's video, we're going to have a discussion related to AMIs. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So, you guys do know that how to create a EC2 instance and all of that. So, today we're going to be talking about what are the different type of operating systems that can be installed on your EC2 machine. So, as you guys can see, I have the EC2 dashboard opened up over here. We're going to go ahead and click on Launch Instance. And we're going to scroll down and you will be able to see the section that is called Application and OS Images, which is AMI, Amazon Machine Image. As you can see, normally for all of our examples, we had stuck to the default, that is the Amazon Linux. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on Browse More AMIs. And I want to show you guys how there are multiple different OS images available, various different community AMIs available, pre-configured AMIs available that can help you achieve your specified use case. Now, for example, if you want an Amazon Linux, you can go ahead and you can choose your Amazon Linux. Again, you have two different type of architectures that you can go with. Another really cool thing that I like about AWS is that AWS is the only cloud provider out there in the market which provides you a Mac OS image. If you go to any other cloud provider out there, they do not provide you a Mac OS image. Now, this is very useful, and the reason behind that is maybe many of you guys are, app developers, and now you develop your app using React Native or you develop your app using Flutter. Now, these two are cross-platform applications. That is, you one code base for both iOS and Android. Now, of course, on your Windows system, you guys are able to, create your application. But if you want to create an iOS application, you need Mac OS. So you can quickly go ahead and spin up an EC2 instance with your specified Mac OS version, and you can build and deploy your iOS application. Again, you have other things like RHEL, that's Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, and Ubuntu, a Windows Server if you need that, and much, much more. So these are basically some quick start AMIs. They're the most commonly used AMIs on the AWS platform. Coming on to the My AMI section, as you guys can see, this is currently empty. This is the place where you can create your custom AMIs, and they will be available over here when they are created. So if, for example, you need to deploy an EC2 instance with your custom AMI, you can quickly head over here and you can get that deployed. Moving on to the third tab, that is AWS Marketplace AMIs. This basically has, as you can see, 10,000 plus pre-configured AMIs or OS images for various different use cases out there. The most common use case that we have is Open VPN Access Server. I wherein you want to set up your own VPN server in the cloud. People use OpenVPN. So if you go ahead and directly click on select, you will be able to host your own VPN server on the AWS that is pre-configured with all the related operating systems, softwares, installations, configurations, and everything related to OpenVPN. So as you guys can see, there are tons and tons and tons. As you can see, there's Splunk 2, you have Fortinet 2, you have Cisco, and you have so much more that you guys can get pre-configured. And finally, you have your community AMIs. This basically is, it can be published by anyone out there in the market. So these are basically the four different tabs that you have related to AMIs: Quick Start AMIs, My AMIs, AWS Marketplace AMIs, and finally Community AMIs. So I hope you guys did like this video and you got a good understanding related to AMIs. How can you choose or select different AMIs according to your use case, and how the AWS Marketplace already has a lot of pre-configured AMIs for over 10,000 plus use cases. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.